So today we're just going to go and find some beaches. We're going to go down to the marina, follow the marina around, and then follow the coastline from there, and there should be some nice beaches down there.
Man, this is so beautiful. There's so many beautiful little coves and...
It's pretty! Looks like we got a beach to ourselves.
The one that we've chosen is Praia dos Arrifes, and it has loads of these little sea stacks just right in the middle of the beach. We were doing this shot of Abby running through this arch, and then the waves came in, and I only have one pair of shoes. So I just ran up and tried to grab onto the hills and like lost the grip and fell down with my back right onto a rock and got soaked. We made it down to the second beach. It's called Praia de São Rafael.
You can see Godzilla Rock right there. We'll go and have a closer look at Godzilla Rock. Stood underneath Godzilla Rock.
I'm totally speechless. Fancy having lunch here?